This here, woo! This here's the Rusty Tractor Ranch, and we got a small cow herd in the middle of July.
What are you doing?
Getting a table.
For what?
Cow stuff.
What are we doing today? What are we doing, Cody?
Well, we're trying to move some cows, I guess. Oh dear.
Bentley, what are we doing today?
Gonna check on
What
the
is it
cow
called?
and feed them medicine
Yeah.
and clip Mom's hole.
Okay, sounds good.
Go. There you go. It's okay, we'll get her. Come on, cows. Come on, cows. Hey, it's okay. Wait. Stop.
Don't chase them, Bentley.
It's a lamb, baby. That one's wrong. Big one. That went well.
Good job, guys. That was beautiful.
Go teeth.
Yeah, they even say so.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Table.
Hey,
There you go. Table. There you go. Table. There you go. There you go. Table. There you go. There you go. Okay, so.
take this. Nice and easy. There you go. There you go. Go on. There you go. There you go. This way. No, don't follow her. Hey, y'all. Meg, walk up there.
Yep.
Come on.
Hey, cow.
Right there. Come on. Right there.
Whoop, whoop.
There you go.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Good job.
There you go. Not the wood. There you go. 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 Good job. Good job. Come on, cow. Come on, cow. I know. Don't hurt your foot. Come on, man.
Hey.
Stay right there, Bentley. Hold on. Stay right there for a second. Those deer.
Yeah, this did not go very well.
No, it wasn't near smooth. Let's go.
Hey, cow.
Up,
Come on.
up, up,
Hey,
up,
cow. Come on, honey bun. Work with you.
up, up, up.
Hey, cow.
Let's go, big boys. All right, gates open.
Don't plug the hole. Come right here.
Honey bun, let's go.
Come on. Come on, guys. Hey, come on now. Hey. There you go. There you go. Come on, y'all. Hey, hey, easy, easy. Come on, y'all. Hey, come on, y'all. Hey. Hey, hey, it's okay. Easy. Block that hole, block that hole. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey.
Yeah!
Got 3 more to catch.
Why?
They went out the back one, the back one.
Oh.
Pull that can open.
Amateurs. Gotta find my hat.
How can a cowboy without a cowboy hat?
There it is.
Oh, look at that. Amateur.
We're so good at this.
Hey, we're new.
We're so good.
Maybe walk towards the other side. Coming out.
Whoop, whoop.
Megan, go towards the corner of the fish. Cody, they're going to try and go around when they go down. Megan, come up some. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Good. Okay, Bentley, okay. Come up some, get in with Megan and I.
I'm gonna start calling you Rip.
Stop. Ready? Megan, goes in. Bentley, walk up. Bentley, walk.
Be big. Be big, Bentley. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Head count.
Hey.
Head count. Head count.
Hey.
Good job, Rip.
Molly.
Easy cow.
Yep.
Easy cow. Easy cow. Whew. Good job. Good job, KK. All right, fly tag. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Good spot.
Yep, sit down this side for that. There you go. Good girl. Yeah, did a good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. That's okay. Good job. Y'all ready? I gave you one. You can't. I know. Everybody ready? Hold on. Can you get around there? You're okay. Do some squeeze. Squeeze off. Hey, forward. Good cow. Good girl.
Big growl.
We're getting the hang of it now. Wait.
I ain't never been growled at by a cow.
Little one. Hold on. This is little cow. This is 7. Chris, got my hammer? Yeah.
I think I can adjust this.
Ah! I'm glad that's the one I videoed because she's the only one that did that. Un mas.
Come on, little girl. Let's go. Let's go. Atta girl. Go on. Atta girl.
Here she comes,
Here
Coach.
she comes.
Go on.
You're okay, Cal.
Okay. jump up here.
Okay.
So you?
Come on, Kev. Come on, Kev. Come on, Kev. Squeeze the shoe a little bit.
Squeeze the chute.
Okay, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Okay. Hey, use the toe.
Should kick him.
What tag?
It should be
Are they
loaded.
ready?
Number should be loaded. 7.
You okay?
Bentley, come here. Cody, do you have the medical tag code?
Here it is.
Okay, never mind.
I got a backer.
Oh, right there.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Can I pet her?
Okay.
Hey, you're not gonna hurt you. Yeah, okay. Hold on.
Don't tell me when you're done petting. I know. I just did them. Hey, hey. You okay? Hey, hey, hey. Okay, okay. Hey. That did not work.
That is, yeah, that's weird.
I think I had it
something's
backwards or
wrong.
something.
Yeah.
It's like it's missing.
Yeah,
No,
that,
yeah,
that
that
goes in
this other side.
Hey, hey, Cal.
Let me fix it for you. No, you got it.
That's wrong.
It's backwards?
Yeah.
My bad.
Sorry, say that.
It's okay. It's our first day.
You should get learned before you do this, folks.
Cody, her head's not caught underneath it, is it?
No. No, her front legs were buckled. Hi, girl. You gotta poke another hole just for fun. I know, hey. Hey,
Okay.
hey.
You're okay. Everything's okay.
Cow.
Good job.
job.
Good girl.
Good baby.
Good job.
Good baby.
We're not bad, okay?
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
No side movements. You ready?
All right, there it is. Come.
Got that beautiful moment on camera. Okay. That's like... All right, folks.
I knew one of them.
There's just one left.
One under there.
We ain't getting it.
Okay, so food for thought.
Yeah.
You work your cattle in the chute in the spring and the fall.
Yeah.
Not in July.
Not
It's a
in
bad
July.
idea. Bad idea.
Yeah, I don't think we buy cattle in July again.
This here, woo! This here's the Rusty Tractor Ranch, and we got a small cow herd in the middle of July. And let me tell you, they were in bad shape. They got plenty of grass. Hopefully, we get them back to good health. Start us a herd here. Quit running diesel fuel to cut grass and let cows cut grass. Uh-huh.
We did it. Though.
We got one more.
We're gonna do this one more today?
She'll live.
That's what I'm saying.
The one without the tag.
Everybody says
Or
no.
That's right.
No
Yeah.
tag. Oh,
Chris,
Miss
if you're
no
going over, will you
tag.
toss me a bottle of water?
Here, you got it.